So I used to work on a market stall back home in England, and we used to use the washroom of the local cobbler. And one day he put a trainee sign up, and I was 15 years old, and here I am now. Coakleys is a one-stop service shop. We offer a wide range of services from shoe repair, leatherwork, dry cleaning, key cutting, watch battery replacements, and obviously we sell a wide range of footwear as well. But we do have a high-end line from England called Loke. We have Red Wings from the US of A. Our moccasins are made up in Quebec as well. A little taken back when I first started selling cowboy boots, and within a week I'd sold 5 pairs. There's nowhere you can buy cowboy boots apart from Coakleys. I love this business just because it's different every single day. The variety of work that we do. One day it's a trampoline net that we're stitching, and next day it's a $1,000 pair of shoes that we're repairing. So once you start working with leather, you can do zippers, purses, luggage. If I can get it on the stitching machine, I'll stitch it for you. The customers are, they're taken back by the amount of stuff that we do and all the different services that we provide. Everything that we sell is fully repairable, and that's, again, what we're trying to educate people on. Buy good footwear from us. When they need fixing, we'll fix them.